Hey, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your places with your family members and enjoying the school from home program. I'm your Bhumika ma'am. As we are doing chapter 4 today, we are going to do think and share, think and write, let's connect, and we care. The objective of this is to learn to answer questions using yes and no, and to be aware of the facilities in our neighborhood, and to be courteous and listen to others while they speak, and to value the love and concern of grandparents. But before that, a quick recap for you. For that, you have to open page number 33. As you know, this is the story of Rohan and his grandmother having fun of riddles. Then after that, we have done phonics. In this, we understood double letter words and learned about their sounds also. And then in word power, we solved some riddles with the given clues. After that, we have done building blocks. In this, we have learnt the use of question mark. And in this, we understood that we put question mark after a sentence that asks something. Now let's start today's topic. For that, you have to open page 42. Think and share. First of all, write today's date here. Think and share. Look at these pictures and read the questions and answers. It will teach you how to ask and answer questions. Today in this, we will learn how to ask and answer questions. कि जब भी आपको किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछना हो या फिर उसका आंसर करना हो, तो how will you do that? In this picture, there is a girl who is asking a question from this boy, and the question is it a cat? Now tell me, is it a cat? So how will you answer? The boy answered, yes, it is. Now next, is it a plane? Now girl is asking, is it a plane? Now look at this picture and tell me, is it a plane? Yes or no? No. So the boy answered, no, it is not. And what is it? It is a kite. In this picture, girl is asking, is it a pond? Tell me, is it a pond? No. So boy is replying here, no, it is not. It is a river. Now think and write. Writing yes and no answers. Look at the pictures and read the questions and their answers. As you can see in this picture, there is a boy and a girl, and boy is blindfolded. And he is asking, is this a nail? Now you tell me, is this a nail? Yes or no? No. So the girl is replying here, no, it is not. But अब ये भी बताना है कि ये क्या है, nail तो नहीं है. So the girl is replying, it is a pencil. It is a pencil. And in the next picture, now girl is blindfolded and now she is asking, is this an apple? Now you tell me, is this an apple? Yes or no? Yes. So boy is replying here, yes, it is. But you have to remember one more thing here, that you need to write comma after yes and no. Okay? Like this. Because comma means we need to wait here and then we should continue. Like yes, it is. No, it is not. Now look at this picture. Here the boy is blindfolded, and he's asking a question, and that is this a rope? Now you tell me, is this a rope? No. So girl is replying here, no, it is not. It is my hair. In the next picture, now girl is asking, are these umbrellas? Now you tell me, are these umbrellas? Yes or no? Yes. So boy is replying here, yes, they are. Yes, they are. Now let's try 8. Now answer the following questions with yes, it is, or no, it is not. One has been done for you. Here what you have to do is, questions are given and you have to answer them. Like A has been done for you. Now B, question is it a bird? Now tell me, is it a bird? It is a fish. So what shall we write here? We'll write here, no, it is not. So like this, you have to do, let's try 8. Let's connect. Find out the names of the railway station and airport close to where you stay. This will help you to know your neighborhood better. Try to make a train or a car using matchboxes. Do you know what is neighborhood? The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Now you have to find out the important places in your neighborhood, like school, railway station, hospital, bus stand, post office, etc. You can also try to make a train or a car using matchboxes. Now we care. Your grandparents are special and they love you a lot. Make it a point to spend time with them. Do things to make them happy. They are a blessing in our life. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you like your grandparents? Yes, okay. And you love them, right? So now promise me from today onwards you will spend as much time as possible with them because they are very special. And you will help them in daily chores. Daily chores means daily work जो भी हम करते हैं. Like you can bring a glass of water for them and you should always listen to their advice and their stories. Like this, we can make them happy. Okay? So that's all for today. I hope you understood well. Parents are requested to help their ward in completing Let's Try 8. Parents are requested to read the instructions. Okay then, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye-bye.